Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the help section in the Plains Live application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And at the more section, click on the help button. And as you can see, you will find different topics and some description below them. So if you have any further questions, at the bottom of the page, you will find an email contact as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.